Hello again, sewing people. Today I want to show you how to clean out in here in your machine. And the machine, a lot of them are like this. My machine is a JANOME MC 6650. And there's a little button right down here. And you pop that up. A lot of the machines you have to unscrew it or whatever. Just whatever your machine has you to do. But if you sew a lot like I do, and especially if you're doing quilting, your machine really gets full of dust. If you can see down in there all that dust that gets accumulated. So you want to take out your bobbin and just look at all that dust. And I just did this not too long ago. So you take your brush and you just keep pulling it, cleaning it out. I mean, you would think, the manual on my machine says to clean this every 6 months. I just don't, I don't know what I'd do if I went 6 months without cleaning mine. Just get tons and tons of dust in there. I'm just trying to get it out. Just a little, kind of like a little paintbrush. You don't want to blow it. I know it's very tempting to blow it out with air, but you just might blow this stuff, this lint, into parts of your machine you don't want it to be. But I mean, it gets dusty all up in here, and your foot, just everywhere gets full of lint. Your cutter down here. Now you may not have as much lint and all as I have in mine, but like I said, I sew almost every day. So I get a nice accumulation in there. See all that coming out of there. You also want to clean this. I just showed you the underside of that. And then you're going to clean in your bobbin case too. On both sides, all around. See how it's dust up in there? You want to get all that out. Now my machine calls for a little tad bit of oil right there. In that little wick right there. So I just drop a little bit in there, in that spot. And when you're through, go ahead and put everything back in. Get everything lined up. Now mine has 2 little red dots. You line up right there. Pop it back on. And you go back to sewing. That's what you do. So I hope this helped you. Thanks for watching. Bye now.